Hello, November. So, a brand new month has begun. I will be doing an elaborate reading to understand what does the new month look like, what is it bringing along, and what is it that we can expect. If the energy resonates, continue watching. First, we will take a look at the type of energy we will be experiencing throughout the month, followed by getting to understand the message for the month. And the card says isolation. Now, isolation essentially means that this month you will have to dive deep inside you. This also means that whether or not you are surrounded by people, you may feel a bit lonely. It is a very tricky situation, but you will have to utilize this situation this time to understand yourself better. When there are a lot of people around you, you hear a lot of voices, which are basically noises, because there is a lot of chaos, a lot of opinions. There are many people telling you what you should do, how you should be. But what is it that you internally want? And that can only be understood when you spend time with yourself. And when you hear the voice inside you, you get answers to a lot of questions. You understand your purpose. You understand what is it that you really want, and then you actually stop wasting time and energy to explain yourself and your choices to others. So this month, do not depend on anyone else. Do not seek answers from anyone else. Start enjoying your own company. Start asking questions to your own self to get answers. It is your own journey, and you should navigate it the way you want. Do not let others drive you or direct you. Now, let us take a look at the message for the month. What is it that the universe is trying to tell us? What is it that the angels want us to know? What is it that we can expect? And what is it that we should be aware of? And the card says, step into the spotlight. As I told you, this month is all about you. It is all because of you. It is all for you. This also indicates that deep down, you are either scared or uncertain. But in fact, you are thoroughly prepared. You are ready. So there is nothing to fear. To give you an example, you have studied whatever you had to, how much ever you had to. And now it is time for you to give your exam and also pass with flying colors. So all you need to have is confidence and faith, and no one else will appear for your exam. So do not depend on anyone else, like I said. It is your exam, it is your life challenges that you will have to face and overcome by yourself. And now let's take a look at the affirmation you should be working with in this week. And the card says, I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges. Like I told you in the beginning, it is your own journey, and everybody is living a different life. Everybody is on a different journey. So do not let anyone else direct you or guide you. So this month, do not feel envious or jealous of anybody. Do not compare your life with anybody, because you never really know what is happening in someone else's life. Everybody is on a different journey. Do not let anyone else dictate you or your choices. You do not try to imitate someone else's journey as well, because you have to learn your own life lessons, celebrate your own victories and successes, and face your own failures. Take ownership of your life, and always remember that your life is nothing but a series of decisions and choices that you make. You are responsible for the kind of life you are living. Do not depend on others, as well as do not blame others. So this month, introspect. Understand what you really want, then take actions accordingly. I hope this reading guides you well throughout the month of November. Wishing all of you a fantastic month ahead. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye.